Hello, my name's Tom and I'm doing a quick review of the DualLiner bed liner floor mat system for the back of a pickup truck. It's an alternative to the spray-in bed liner. I got my unit 2 years ago. Normally people show videos of brand new. Well, I'm going to show a true video of something that's been actually used for 2 years. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty. I use it daily, but yeah, this bed liner is the way to go. There's no scuffs, cuts, scrapes, or anything in it. It's a very durable product. Customer service is beyond helpful. They're very reasonable to deal with, which is hard to find nowadays. And I highly recommend DualLiner for your alternative to the spray-in bed liner. I will never own a vehicle without going this way. So, yeah, there's my review, and hopefully it helps you out making your decision. Have a good day.